Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the license is tied to an account. This is the fastest fix. Sign in at account. Microsoft.com, then open the Subscriptions or Services tab to find the Office license. Once you see the purchase, make sure you use that exact email when you open Excel. If Excel still asks for a product key, use Office Online to access files now while you proceed. Doing this prevents unnecessary key hunts and links activation to an account you control. Once done with the account check, run the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant. It diagnoses activation errors and often applies fixes automatically. If problems persist, uninstall Office cleanly, use Settings or the SA-RA uninstaller, then reboot and reinstall directly from your Microsoft account page. Make sure Windows and Office updates are applied before launching Excel. This sequence clears corrupted activation files and forces Office. You finish by launching Excel and signing in with the exact email tied to the license. Accept prompts to reactivate and check account product information to confirm success. If activation still fails, use Office Online or a 1-month trial to access your work while you resolve the license. If things go wrong, clear cached credentials in Windows Credential Manager and run the Support and Recovery Assistant again. This often removes stale tokens that block activation. If needed, contact Microsoft Support with your purchase receipt for help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.